Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Luma AI app. First, you have to install the Luma AI app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed it, simply open it up, and after that, you have to just simply sign up using your Google account or your Apple account, and then you will be onto its homepage. Now, homepage is like the For You page or maybe the place where you can see other people's work and can get inspiration. So these are some of the work that has been done by other users, like they have uploaded a video and it converted into this art piece. So this is what we can do through this app. You just have to simply upload a video and it will make its 3D image, or you can say structure, that you can use and can see it. If you want to create one, then there's an option called create at the bottom. We have to go for it, and there's another option, library, where whatever we do work, it will be there. As you click onto the create, it will give you a small tutorial through these images and these text, so you can just simply check it out. You will get the idea like what kind of video you can upload and how you can record a video to upload it. And once you're done, then you will be able to create something from your mobile phone. So as you can see, it shows that you have to move your phone around an object and record a good video, and after that you will be able to make it 3D. You can either upload it or record it. It's up to you. If you already have recorded a video, you can just simply upload it, and if you want to do it at the moment, then click on record. Camera will open and then you will be able to record the video. Make sure you record the video the right way. You use all the angles and everything is clean and smooth. After uploading or recording the video, it will ask you to give a title. You can give it anything. I have uploaded the video of a basketball, therefore I am naming it ball. And then you can also make it public or private as per your preferences. And if there are any sort of people in it and you want to remove them, you can click on remove, and after that the people will get removed. Then it may ask you for some of the permissions, so you can allow it, and after that it will be sent to their server. Now this process will take time. It can take up to like hours or maybe a few minutes based on what kind of video you have recorded or uploaded. If that's like a massive drone shot, then it may take hours, but if you have recorded something very similar like from your room, then it may take less time. So from these one of the available videos, I'll show you this is how someone has recorded this video. As you can see, they just revolved their mobile around that person, or maybe if there's an object, and this is what they have created, like a 3D structure of it. Now you can just simply move your finger across different sections like that, and you can just simply check out this product or maybe that object from every angle. So you can now get the idea what this platform can do. So that's how you can use the Luma AI app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.